Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today we will learn about the Great Indian Desert. This is the chapter number 4 of class 4, subject social science. Okay, so I am repeating again the chapter 4, subject social science, and chapter number 4 also. So, open your book. Page number is 244. And here you can see the chapter name, the Great Indian Desert. In this chapter we will learn many things like location of the Great Indian Desert, its climate, vegetation and irrigation system, camel, sheep of the desert, life of people and places of tourist interest in Rajasthan. So children, firstly we will know about the Indian desert. As you know, a desert is a flat area covered with sand. It has very little vegetation. It receives little or no rainfall. Rajasthan lies on the southwest of northern plains. The map shows that the huge area of Rajasthan is a desert. The Aravalli Hills divide Rajasthan into two parts. The eastern part is quite fertile, while the western part is rocky and sandy. The river Chambal flows in eastern part. Okay, so here you can see the picture of Indian map, and this is the more part of the Indian desert. Okay, the western part of Rajasthan is known as the Indian desert or the Thar desert. The Thar desert was formed due to the low rainfall and heavy soil erosion. The Thar desert spreads from the Aravalli hills to the border of Pakistan in the west, and from the Rann of Kutch in southwest to the border of Haryana in the north. In the west, to it forms a part of Sindh desert in Pakistan. So firstly we will know the climate of desert. The desert region remains hot and dry throughout the years. It summers the light nights are cool and days are very hot. Okay, in the desert one ship sent from one place to another or from small mounds called sand dumps. Okay, sometimes strong winds blow away the sand with great speed. They are called sand storms. Okay, so now turn your page. So here you can see the picture of some area of desert. The winds cause great damage to the soil. They blow away the topsoil. The type of damage to the soil is called soil erosion. Okay. So due to the soil erosion, the large area of desert is dry and barren. Okay. So now we will know about the next. Water is high. Water. What is the condition of water? Water is however found at some places in the desert. The water comes mostly from small amount of rain water that collects in the streams and ponds or underground water that comes to the surface and forms a pool. Okay, the pool is called an oasis. An oasis is a fertile spot in a desert. Most of the villagers in desert come up around such an oasis. That palm trees are found in such places. Now, Indira Gandhi Canal. Now we will know about the some canals. Indira Gandhi, the name of canals. The government is trying to provide water to Rajasthan for irrigating fields and for daily use. The water from Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Rajasthan canals, also called the Indira Gandhi canals. It is the world longest canals. Okay, so now we will know about the camel is what is the features of camels. It is called the camel is the cheap mode of transport in the desert. The camel is among the few domesticated animals found in the desert. Okay, it is also called the sheep of the desert. You have to remember it. The camel is called the sheep of the desert because it can move easily on the sand and is used as the cheap means of transport in the desert. Its padded hooves do not sink into the sand. The camel has a lump of fat in its hump. Okay. Now here you can see the some picture, different types of picture. Nomads of Rajasthan, Tej festivals, and a caravan and Gangaur festival. These are festival for Rajasthan. So even today people move across the desert in group with camels called a caravans. In the eastern parts of Rajasthan, farming and animals rearing are common. Water stored in tanks and wells help to irrigate the land. Okay, people are employed in mica, copper, and zinc mines. Marble and sandstone are found in the region. Rajasthani craft items and he and dye fabric are admired everywhere. Okay, and Dasahara, Diwali, Holi, and Eid are celebrated in Rajasthan. Tej and Gangaur. Tej and Gangaur are festival in which women take part healthy. Okay. So now here you can see the some monuments of Rajasthan. While swaying on swimming and singing songs, Ghumar dance is a famous folk dance performed by women on festival occasions. Okay, and here you can see the picture of Udaipur Lake Place, and here Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is a very big building, a big monument of Rajasthan, and Amar Amer Fort. This is the Amer Fort. So famous places of tourist attraction are Udaipur and Jaipur. Lake Place at Udaipur, Hawa Mahal and Amer Fort at Jaipur, and cities of Jodhpur and Bikaner are well known. Kota, Alwar and Chittor are historical cities. Okay, so Mount Abu is a hill station of Rajasthan. Many devotees visit the Dargah at Ajmer. Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, is called the Pink City. At most of the buildings here are of pink color. Raja Jai Singh was the founder of Jaipur. Okay. So now these are keywords: soil erosion, sand dunes, oases, salt lake, caravan, and things. And what is the soil erosion? Loss of top soil due to action of wind or running water, called soil erosion. Sand dunes, small mounds of sand. Oasis, a fertile spot in a desert having a pool of water and palm trees. Oasis, what is a salt lake? What is salt lake? A lake having salty water. Where is lake having salty water? And caravan, a group of camels moving from one place to another and laden with goods and people are called caravans. So now completed this chapter. So children, I hope you have understood very well. Then thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.